Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. Next, let's select password, and to create password you have to add at least 4 characters. Next, select PIN, and to create PIN enter at least 4 digits. Now let's select pattern, and to create pattern connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to first biometric, which is fingerprint. Select add fingerprint, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap finish, and now unlock your phone using the fingerprint. Now go to face unlock, and to set up face unlock you have to scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.